Would you date a foreigner older than your parents?
Because some of people saying that if and you want to date that because of the money.
Love is unconditional, and as long as they are happy, sa naman.
Oh, as long as they're happy, that's very beautiful. Hi, my name is Lorie and welcome to the Fuentes Family Channel. In today's video, we are going to interview Filipinas from Naga City, Bicol, Philippines and ask them, would Filipinas date foreigners older than their parents? Well, let's find out. Enjoy the interviews. Would you date a foreigner older than your parents?
No.
Yes. No. No, ma'am. No.
For me po, no. Pero if na in love man, yes. Because love has no age na.
I think yes, because nowadays it's very new generation. Any age is I'm very open with it, and um I believe in the saying that age doesn't matter as long as you love each other or you have um uh as long as the feeling is mutual.
Would you date a foreigner older than your parents?
Depende po. I mean, what I mean is, to po, maano po kayo sa pag-ano ang English.
So you mean it depends because of communication, like how to entertain them, like how to talk to them, right? How to speak in English. So communication. So that's why she said it depends. Why?
Because if it is older than my parents, then it means that they are, their health is very, their health deteriorates already. So, how would a foreigner older than my parents would take care of me if that's the case?
I'm just curious, how old is your parents?
They are already in mid-50s.
Kasi alam mo naman yung 'pag mahal mo ang isang tao, hindi naman nakikita sa edad. Kasi 'pag love mo ang isang tao, nararamdaman 'yun at hindi 'yun nakikita sa panlabas o sa pan-ano.
That's very beautiful. So what she said is if you love the person, age doesn't really matter. What matters is how you feel, right? What's inside, not from what outside and how old is he or she. Why you don't wanna date foreigner older than your parents?
Because some of people saying that if and you want to date that because of the money. Yeah.
So you're scared to be judged by people.
Yes.
Why no?
Because, masyadong matanda po.
Oh. She said it's because they're too old. For her, it's no, but
But
and-
for my parents po, if they said no or they are against it, no.
you're listening to your parents, like if they want something like for you or they want someone for you, then their opinion matters, right?
Of course, because I know their opinion is for me also.
How do you feel about Filipinas dating a foreigner older than parents?
If they want it, then it's okay. We don't judge here.
Para sa akin, normal lang naman 'yan sa kumbaga sa Pilipino, nag-asawa ka ng matanda na Pilipino. Okey lang naman 'yan kasi tulad nga ng sabi ko, 'pag naramdaman mo ang love, talagang di mo masasabi na kahit matanda ka, mamahalin mo talaga 'yan, eh, kasi age doesn't matter nga po.
Okay. So what you said is it's very common here in the Philippines, having an older partner, like Filipino partner, because if you really love the person, then yeah, you really love the person. It doesn't matter if how old is.
Respect na lang, respect sa kumbaga huwag tayong mag-judge sa mga taong like na nakapag-asawa ng apam na mas matanda pa sa kanila. Respect na lang kasi alam mo naman kanya-kanya naman tayo ng ng pag-unawa sa mga tao.
So she added that we must respect couples, especially those who has older partners. And in a relationship with foreigners? Respect. We don't have the right to judge them, right?
No, no judgment.
For me, it's okay lang naman. Because, pwede naman magtaga. Because, kasi, di naman kasi base yan sa edad, di ba? Base naman yan sa pagmamahalan.
So she said it's okay because it doesn't really, I mean, age doesn't matter.
Yes.
What matters is the feelings, right? If they're in love, then
Each other.
go for it, right?
Yeah. Nagtataka kung bakit, matanda pa ang napili nila para sa.
Okay. So what she feels is she's wondering why they choose to be with foreigners older than their parents, right?
Yes.
Yes. So she's curious why.
For me, it's okay because it's their life naman. It doesn't matter. Love is unconditional. And as long as they are happy, same naman.
Oh, as long as they're happy, that's very beautiful.
Tong happy man po ang makipag tong mga babaeng nagbabata po na foreigner.
Happy, you feel happy. Na happy kas para sa inda.
Oo.
She said she's happy for them. She's very soft spoken. Very soft spoken. Okay, are you here from Naga City? Yeah, she's here from Naga City. Okay, so you're happy for them. You don't judge them.
Dahil man po.
Okay, no, she doesn't judge them. She's happy for them. Are you single or in a relationship?
Single.
How long have you been single?
7 months.
7 months. Okay. Are you looking for a serious relationship right now?
Why not?
Why not? How old are you?
22, turning 23 on this March.
Are you working?
Yes.
May we know what's your job?
Cashier on Robinson.
Our favorite mall. So she's a cashier at Robinson Mall here in Naga. I think we're gonna see you soon in Robinson. Thank you so much, Ate. Salamat.
Bye-bye.